This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? I'm now at the NIO service center in Ensjø, and today I'm gonna switch this EL8 for EL6. I'm going to do some tests with it, actually do a comparison against the Q6 e-tron. But not only that, but by request from my followers, you know, the Firefly banana box test, some people mentioned that Bjorn, you forgot to fold up the seat and you can fold the seats flat when they did the banana box. I totally forgot about it. I was a bit stressed, but no problem, because the EL8, no, don't lock it. The EL8 has so much space. I brought the banana boxes here. I didn't have to pack crazy tight, but I did bring hopefully enough banana boxes, 21 or 22, I don't remember how many I brought. And then inside here we have a Firefly at the showroom. So interesting. Let me see. This Firefly has the black interior, and you know, I was talking about this in some videos, like I was nitpicking this dashboard. Well, if you get the black interior, it's actually cheaper. Then you shouldn't have the reflection. Even now I can kind of see that we don't have that reflection. Huh? Pro tip from Bjorn: get the black interior. Go check it out. Well, it's actually nice to be back in the Firefly. I like it a lot. But let me see. Here. So here is the whole deal, which I forgot to do. Let me see. How is it again? Here, see? You do it like this, and then this will fall flat. Well, I had to take off the headrest, but I managed to fit 3 banana boxes in the footwell. I have to give up the footwell for possibly more space up here, right? Well, which method gives you the best space for the banana boxes? Well, there's only one way to find out. Snart är skatten vår, så kan vi ta det roligt de nästa 100 år. Where should I put it? Here, maybe? Okay, here. Well, all the boxes are ready. And I noticed that the light conditions are quite good. We have big light surfaces and this light strip. Okay, some spots, but this should be good for the exposure here. It's like a soft box above us. Okay, I prepare now. So then we pull this strap here and then put it, well, there's only one position, is it? Or, okay, like that. And then fold the seats completely flat this time. Will that be better or not? Same here. There is actually some storage here that we cannot utilize because the seat is blocking it. If we had smaller items, we could fit them here, you know? There. I packed the car to the max, but somehow I feel like it was not max. I have 5 boxes left. I'm not sure how many I brought with me, but you can see what it looks like from here. Yeah, fill it up all the way to the roof. And then here, well, this is where you lose out 3 boxes in the footwell. But I'm also not sure how I did it here last time. You see, it is kind of, well, open-ish, but I couldn't fit one more box there. Okay, let's count then. So in the other layout is supposed to be 20 boxes. Okay, we don't count the front, it's 1 more there, but let's try now. How many did you fit?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Huh? 15, 16 only. What the heck am I doing wrong now? Okay, we could maybe squeeze in 3 more, so that becomes 19, so that's almost 20. But wait, I forgot this lid here. Okay, I forgot to remove it. it's just 1 centimeter maybe. But okay, let me try to rearrange the boxes. See if I can fit more than 16. Okay, I tried again. Man, I'm getting sweaty now. But okay, this time, well, okay, it opens still. Try to arrange the boxes slightly different, actually different than when I did the other round. But that's the nature of the test, because once you free up space somewhere and then lose some space other places, you might have to rearrange the boxes differently to maximize how many boxes you get in here. And still, I feel I couldn't utilize the space here and here. It's some empty there, but then again, the nature of the boxes is that you cannot squeeze in something there. Then I have to choose. So this seems to be the best deal. And then in the back, managed to also fit in, sorry, there's some reflection there. But there's also some stuff there that couldn't fit more unless you chop a banana box in 2 pieces. Okay, let's try again.
1, 2, 3.
What? Put on the gloves. Accidents happen when I don't expect them. Yeah.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Huh. 16, 17 this time. And then plus 1 in the front, so that's 18, but that's still 3 less than when you have not folded flat. So I don't have any good explanation, but you know, if it's just 1 off, if it's 19, then I can understand that you're a bit unlucky with the arrangement, then you don't get the maximum. But here we are 3 boxes off the other test. I'm gonna try something here. If you take up this seat and then we, well, I don't know what you call this, unfold this or put it back where it's supposed to be. Like that, okay? And then we fold again to see the difference. Ah, okay, this suddenly makes way more sense, because you see, the difference here is very small, versus here we're losing out on 3 boxes if you also take that up, right? But here you see that there's only roughly a fist of difference there, but then not here. So if you actually count the volume here of this triangle versus the volume we're losing out on the footwell, then suddenly that makes perfect sense. So for the best result, you actually have to not do this, but do this. So there you guys have it. This channel is really useful because not only do you get information about which car has the most space, but you also learn about physics, about how to pack your car for the maximum storage. Yeah, it's win-win. So that's going to be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.